In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export from Tinkercad quickly and easily, so you can save your design in the right format for 3D printing, modeling, laser cutting, or even AR and VR use. If you're new to Tinkercad or you just want a simple step-by-step guide, this video will walk you through the entire process. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure the design you want to export is ready. Check that everything looks the way you want it to, because once you export the file, it will be saved to your computer and ready to use elsewhere. Now look to the top right corner of the Tinkercad workspace. You'll see the Export button in the toolbar. Click that Export button to open the Export menu. This is where Tinkercad gives you a few different options, depending on what you want to do with your design. After the Export menu opens, you need to choose the scope of your export. You can export everything in the design, which means the entire project, or you can choose Selected Shapes if you only want to export specific parts of your model. If you want the full design, choose Everything. If you only need certain objects, select the shapes you want before exporting and then use the Selected Shapes option. Once you've chosen the scope, the next step is selecting the file format. Tinkercad gives you several useful export formats, and the one you choose depends on how you plan to use the file. If you want to 3D print your model, choose STL. This is the standard format for most 3D printers and slicing software. If you want to bring the design into other 3D modeling or rendering software, choose OBJ. If you're creating something for augmented reality, virtual reality, or web-based 3D applications, the gltf or GLB format is a great choice. And if you need a 2D outline, especially for laser cutting or other flat design workflows, choose SVG. Take a second to think about your project and pick the format that matches your goal. After you select the format, Tinkercad will begin preparing your file. In most cases, the download will start automatically, and the file will save to your computer's default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, just choose the location you want and confirm the download. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it in the software or device you plan to use next. That's really all there is to it. Exporting from Tinkercad is simple once you know where to click and which format to use. Whether you're 3D printing, editing in another program, or preparing a laser cutting file, Tinkercad makes the process straightforward. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.